back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and everyone who's viewed my previous two videos. I really appreciate it. Today I'm going to be talking about something that I'm very passionate about, and that falls under the topic of investing, financing, and budgeting. So let's get right into it. So basically, if you have any loose money or money that you're not using and you're wondering, hey, how can I make money from this money? If you talk to any investor, anyone who's in financing, they'll tell you the stock market is the place to be. And why do I say that? Because stocks are currently trading at 50 to 75% off. If you look at the airline industry, cruise ship industry, the entertainment industry, the restaurant industry, you'll see that those stocks are highly discounted. If you look at the sticker symbol AAL, which is American Airlines, you'll notice that that stock is currently trading for about $12 or $13 on average. In the last 52 weeks, that stock's normally traded about $35 on average. So basically I'm saying is, normally before you'd have paid $35 or so for that stock, but right now you can get that stock for about $12. So that's like more than 50% off, guys. But before you put your money into the stock market, these are 5 things I would like for you to consider. Number 1, have an emergency fund. Do you have one? What is an emergency fund? It's basically having enough money in a savings account for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. So basically how you calculate that is you go for 1 month and you say, okay, what does it take me to live for 1 month? And that will include your rent, your mortgage, your groceries, your utilities. You add all those factors up and then you multiply that by 3 or 6 months for your 3 to 6 months expenses. You may be like, man, I don't want to miss out on this discount right now, so I want to invest the money I have. My job is really secure. I won't be losing my job. Guys, I would not advise anyone to do that. And why do I say that? Because even people in the healthcare industry are losing their jobs. It's recorded that over 42,000 healthcare employees have lost their job, which is a record high for the last 3 decades. So just think about that before you decide you want to invest your money right now. Number 2, what is a stock market? You want to have an understanding of what the stock market is. You want to understand where you're putting your money. You did not work so hard to put your money into something that you do not understand. And not because the stock market works for someone else means that the stock market would also work for you. So please understand that before you put your money. Number 3, have a strategy going in. Would you be investing in like a diversified or just in a diversified portfolio or just into one sector? What is a diversified portfolio? This means that your stocks are made up from different industries. So it can be from healthcare, from IT, from manufacturing, from finance, from real estate, and not just one sector, just IT. However, each of those has their advantages and disadvantages. So you want to look into that as into which one works better for you. Which one should you use as your strategy going in? What investment vehicle would you be investing in? Would it be stocks, ETFs, index funds, mutual funds, options? Guys, you need to understand what these are before you decide to go into the stock market. Would you be doing day trading or long-term investing? What is a day trader? What does it mean to be a long-term investor? So you need to understand these factors before going into the stock market. Number 4, what is your strategy going in? Are you going to be investing just a lump sum of money, or would you be doing average cost investing? When I say lump sum, it means, okay, if you have $1,000 to invest, you're just going to invest all $1,000 today and that is it. You leave it into the stock market. Or would you be doing average cost investing, where at a specific date every month or specific time frame, you will invest your money? So either you're going to invest on the 20th or the 15th of every month. You're just going to invest that money every 2 weeks, whatever works best for you, but have that strategy going in. Number 5, what is your exit strategy? Are you looking to make a certain percentage of your money back, or as soon as you lose 10%, will you just take your money out? You need to understand these things before you go into the stock market. Would you need that money back in 2 years? So at a specific date, let's say in April of 2022, you'll be taking your money out no matter if you make a profit or a loss. So you want to understand those things before going into the stock market. And then again, I have some links below of some sites that I use to educate myself on the stock market. So I use these two sites, Motley Fool and also Investopedia. Those are two sites I normally Google if I want to find something. Very easy for me to understand. You also have, I also go to my brokerage account. I use CharSwap as my main brokerage account, and I can call the customer service up, and they're very super nice. They break things down very easy for you to understand. I also use my YouTube. YouTube has so much resources out there that I use these channels to educate myself. So again, guys, there's a lot of resources out there. You can educate yourself. Just take a day, take 2 days and educate yourself. Also, after viewing this video, and if you have any questions or comments, anything that you want to talk about, please comment below and let me know. Also, please subscribe to the channel to be notified when I've uploaded new videos such as these so that you can continue educating yourself. Again, thank you very much for viewing my channel.